Assalamualaikum everyone. Today I am presenting TikTok game using Scratch. My name is Ayan from grade 6, submitted to Lighthouse School System, supervised by Mankawal. Scratch is a basic blog. Scratch is a blog basis programming language and online community developed by the lifelong kindergarten group at the MIT Media Lab. It allows two particular children and beginners to create it in interactive stories, games, and animation by dragging and dropping, dropping blocks of code. Why Scratch is important normal day. It's it teacher coding skills. It promote creativity. It is ex- is accessible uh, accessible and user friendly, easy to use, easy to understand. TikTok Tic Tac Toe game using Scratch. These are called when I receive and these are all called. This is Tic Tac Toe game. Receive. Thank you.